When unexpected water damage strikes your property in Fort Lauderdale, the Water Restoration Team is your trusted partner for swift, professional restoration services. Our expert technicians are available 24/7 to mitigate water damage, prevent further destruction, and restore your property to its pre-loss condition. With years of experience and state-of-the-art equipment, we're committed to providing efficient and thorough water damage restoration services to homeowners and businesses throughout Fort Lauderdale and surrounding areas. At the Water Restoration Team, we understand the devastating impact water damage can have on your Fort Lauderdale property and your life. That's why we've dedicated ourselves to becoming the city's leading water damage restoration specialists. Our team of certified technicians brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to every job, ensuring that your property receives the best possible care during the restoration process. The Water Restoration Team has earned a reputation for excellence in Fort Lauderdale. Our deep understanding of Fort Lauderdale's climate, architecture, and common water-related issues allows us to provide unparalleled service to our local community.